Today, I want to be an elf. Today I'm putting down the shears and I'm gonna make some elf ears. I'm making some elf ears because I want to be an elf. And I want to have long hair and I want to shoot some bows and frolic in the forest. But I don't want to live forever. That sounds horrible. Can I DIY some elf ears? Let's find out. Welcome to the side of my sewing room that is not as pretty and really cluttery. That's all the jewelry stuff I have that I've dabbled in the past couple years and achieved nothing too serious with.
I started off this project by looking up some inspiration photos of some wire-wrapped elf ear cuffs, and I found these absolutely amazing ones. And I'll go ahead and link them in the description because most of these artists have Etsy shops or shops that you can buy from. Also, if I can make anything even close to this, I'll be happy. I then pulled out my thick boy wire and my skinny boy wire and these cheap ass tools that I got a long time ago. I then started to map out how the heck I'm going to do this in my head. Once I figured out the general shape of how the wire actually wraps around your ear and stays in place, I just used trial and error to really make the shape. And after some struggling, I realized it would be a lot easier if I had this little mirror.
Alrighty, here is my ear shape. It's gonna be something like that. And I really struggle. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like it's probably gonna take me a lot longer than I thought.
Spoiler alert, it actually did take a lot longer than I thought. The hardest part for me was getting the curve from the elf ear to your actual ear and then make it go behind your ear. So really, I just clammed the out of that sucker and it worked out.
Oh, look at that. Oh, well, okay.
For the front of the elf ear, I'm just finishing it with a little squiggly wavy thing. Wow, so cool.
Alrighty, you guys, I got the frame done. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it here for today and I'm gonna go on a skate break because it is beautiful outside and it hasn't been in a long time. Hello, I'm back for day 2 working on my elf ears. My first step of the day is to magically take this ear and duplicate it, even though I don't even know how I did it.
Woo!
I am an elf and I love it. Oh, yes. I realized that you probably can't even see me working on this. And sorry about the first day, but now I got you with some black paper. Wow, such a good YouTuber.
Everything was going fine and dandy, and I was making really good progress on the elf ears. But that was until this happened.
What did I do wrong? And I know I probably just cranked it too much. And then put it back because you can't really go back but it was like a centimeter off and I wanted to fix it. I guess it just doesn't work like that, does it?
No, it does not.
Well, shit. Not even measuring, just cutting in vibes.
Okay, so I have to take a break to take some family photos because my mom wanted to take some of those Christmassy, joyful family photos. And here is how the photos turned out. Just something casual and a little matchy, you know, cliche holiday family vibes. But it's still pretty cute. So here's my mom, dad, my sister, and me. Oh, and I can't forget about Ray too.
Alrighty. So I admit, I got a little distracted. But now I'm ready to work all day just to finish this because I am trash and I do a bunch of other things that is not working instead. Tunnel vision. For real though, is it just me or like why does this pointy ear aesthetic look so good? God, am I weird?
Actually, please don't answer that question. After doing the same exact thing but just mirroring the image, I now have the frames of the elf ears completed. My plan for phase 2 of these elf ears is just to add some extra details that follow the silhouette of the tip of the elf ear. So I'm using an extra piece to mimic that shape that is just slightly smaller than the frame of the elf ear. And then I'm going to use skinny wire to wrap that all around and secure it. I first started with a really long piece of skinny wire because I didn't want to run out, and I've definitely done that before. So at first I wrapped it all the way around the corners of the point of the elf ear where I wanted the wires to stop. And then I made a figure 8 between the two thicker wires to make that weave effect. Listen here, I'm sure somebody knows so much more about this than me, and I am not a wire wrapper, okay? I'm not even a rapper. At the last minute, I decided to add this little gold bead I had in my stash to the very tip of the ear, and I think it gives it a really nice accent.
Look, I finished one side of the ear. And it's got a little bead. I'll show you the other one once it's done. It took a long time to finish these bad boys, especially the wrap part. Oh my god. It's like in and out and in and out and around. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Well, they don't look like the best professional, but I'm really happy with how they turned out regardless. So I'll go shoot a little fun outro video and you guys can see what it looks like with the whole shebang. Okay, I'm all ready. Now I just need to figure out, what do elves wear? This should work.
It's tipless. Oh, that went fast! My God, I didn't even pull it that hard.
Want to know something cool? My dad literally made this bow from scratch. He just picked up the hobby of archery and decided to make his own bow. Like, who does that?
Thou shalt not pass.
Well, oh, ooh, okay. Does everybody else think elves are hot?
It.
You know it's real when you gotta slick the bangs back. Oh my gosh, I'm a little hobbit. Oh yes. It's got long lobes. I really hope so.